Closing an accounting period in NetSuite, a how-to guide. Closing an accounting period in NetSuite is a structured way to ensure financial accuracy, compliance, and data integrity. And when it comes to your finances, data integrity is everything. So, before you begin closing, you need to keep a few things in mind. For starters, make sure your team uses role-based permissions and often assess and refine procedures. That way, you enhance control and accountability. And speaking of your process, this should be standardized and structured and followed consistently at every period close. But how do you do all of that? Step 1. Start by assessing your period close checklist. To do this, navigate to Setup, then Accounting, then Manage Accounting Periods. Then click the checklist icon next to the period you intend to close. Remember to ensure that all prior periods are closed before you continue. Step 2. You need to review and reconcile all transactions. Double-check that all your transactions for the period are recorded accurately, and that your team has posted to the correct accounts. And if you come across any mistakes, reconcile them. Step 3. Complete a couple of tasks in sequence, and mark them when done. Consider this your step-by-step checklist for success. First, log your accounts payable and receivable as well as your payroll. Secondly, resolve any date or period mismatches. And if your business has inventory, review any negatives here. If applicable, also revalue any open foreign currency balances and calculate the consolidated exchange rates for multi-currency entities before you recognize and reclassify revenue. And if you have any intercompany adjustments, now is the time to make them. Finally, if you have the feature enabled, be sure to assign general ledger and audit numbering. Once you've done these tasks, make sure you lock all modules to prevent further transactions being posted to the period you're closing. This is essential for maintaining data integrity. Now, you're ready to close the accounting period and finalize the period to guarantee that no further changes can be made. And of course, it's always best to reach out to a pro if you have any doubts. Or even better, why not consider outsourcing your accounting to someone who can handle everything for you and remove the stress totally? We can help. The Fusion CPA team is NetSuite certified, and we offer flat fee ERP services so that you can take your accounting processes to the next level without the fuss and unexpected costs. Book a discovery call today.